All right, guys, welcome to Word Problem Day, Lesson 12 in Module 4. That's what we're dedicated to. We haven't had much of this, actually. This unit of all the units probably has had the least word problem work this deep into a unit. So we're due for some today, and I won't do them all with you. I'll just do some. You guys do an awesome job with area. The trick here is that you guys do an awesome job with area in isolation, like when we do it by itself. The trick is being able to continue to do that when you have to pull some information out of a word problem. So those reading skills and paying attention to detail and really understand what you're being asked, that is critical. That's in order to use those math skills that you've developed, you have to also combine them with your reading skills. So here we go. Let's look at the problem set. Each side on a sticky note measures 9 centimeters. What is the area of the sticky note? Well, for many of you, it's going to help to do this. Sketch it. Oh, okay. So it's at each side. So 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. I have to multiply two side lengths, 9 times 9. 9 centimeters times 9 centimeters equals 81 square centimeters. Just because you're focused on the word problems, don't forget about those units. That's all you have to do in that. I think drawing a little quick sketch, don't sit here and draw it exact to scale. Just draw a quick sketch so you can remember, oh yeah, I just have to multiply those two side lengths together. That's all you have to do, right? That's pretty quick and easy on that one. The next one says Stacy tiles the rectangle below using her square pattern blocks, just like the ones you have in your desks. Find the area of her rectangle in square units, then draw and label a different rectangle with a whole number of side lengths that has the same area. That's a lot in there. So let's do the first part first. Find the area of this. So 3 times 4. Okay. 3 units times 4 units equals 12 square units. So I found the area of hers first. Now up here, I'm going to draw, I guess I'll do it down here. I'm going to sketch another one. I'm going to go 2, not by 12, 2 by 6, or 6 by 2 actually in this case. I'll say 6 units times 2 units equals 12 units, or 12 square units. Here I am giving you guys a lecture about making sure you don't forget units, and I'm the one that forgets them. And then it says, can you draw another one? This is going back to yesterday's lesson where we could manipulate the parentheses around in a problem. So we have 3 times 4. We can take the we're not going to do that. We could just make a 12 by 1. That's the last one. I could do it in that way, but it's sort of doesn't make sense to. So we could just make a 12 by 1. 12 times 1 equals 12 square units. Sometimes it's best not to overcomplicate things. If the answer is right in front of you, it's best to just do it rather than make it too complicated. Let's do, I don't know, let's do 2 more. I'll do numbers 3 and number 5. Let's see. An artist paints a 4 by 16 foot mural on the wall. What is the total area of the mural? Use the break apart to distribute strategy, which is what we just did a few lessons ago. So I can see that this is a 4 times 10 right here, right? That rectangle is 4 by 10. This one is a 6 by 4. So I have 40 plus 24, because the area of this is 40, the area of that is 24, equals 64 square units. Right. The only difference is that they we did this work the other day. The only difference is here they're telling you it's a mural this time. So the actual math doesn't change. You're given sort of some context for the math. Let's quickly do the last one. Not as we're going to rush through it. Just I think you guys are getting this, so we don't need to spend too much time on it. J uses 3 identical pieces of paper as shown below to make squares. Sometimes you get papers in this situation. Sometimes you get like posters or other things. Find the unknown side, length of one piece of paper, then find the total of the two pieces of paper. So, okay, this is 9 times 9. So these are equal. Each of these three sides are equal. So what are three things that either multiply or add together to get to 9? Well, it's 3. 3, 3, 3. Because we know that 3 times 3 equals 9. So three side lengths at a unit 3 centimeters each adds up to 9 centimeters. So then it says, so I found that, right? I found the missing piece, 3 centimeters. Now I need to find the area of two pieces of paper. So I'm going to say, there's two different ways to do this. I'll show you both. I'm going to say that's a rectangle all by itself. It's a 6 times 9 because I have my 3 and my 3. I have two 3's, which is a 6. 6 times 9 equals 54 square centimeters. Now, the other way you could have done that, I'll erase the 6 times 9 here for a minute, is you could have said that this is a 3 times 9, and that's a 3 times 9. You could have said 3 times 9 equals, or 3 times 9 plus 3 times 9, I should say. And you could have said that's 27 plus 27. 27 plus 27 is also 54 square centimeters. And that's it, right? So again, the math isn't new in this lesson. Every piece of math or every strategy you need, we already know. You're not being introduced to any new strategies in this. You're just being asked to apply strategies you already know to word problems. So read those questions carefully, read them a couple of times, make sure you know what's being asked of you, and then go ahead and use all those awesome strategies that you're doing so well with. All right, guys, work hard. Keep it up.